Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've sat down and actually filmed a video. I have some personal issues and I've been a bit out of the filming area, let's say like this. For today's video I thought I will come up with the favorite of the month of October. I even don't know when the October month has flown by. I just remember when it started and now it's already away. So together with the October I also started my full-time job, and this is another reason that I've decreased the number of the videos that I'm uploading, because I don't have physically the time to film or to edit my videos. But now that my life has started to settle a bit and I'm starting to get more in a rhythm, I hope I will start to be more consistent with my upload. For today's video, I thought I will bring you less items that I'm usually showing on my monthly favorites, and this was also inspired by the September beauty favorite video that I did in collaboration with my friend Leia, and I decided that I will have only 6 really favorite products, and at the end I have a fail. So if you want to see what is the fail product but also what are my favorite products for the month of October, just keep watching. First product, it is a new foundation that I discovered through the month of September, and it's hands down my favorite foundation so far. I am not wearing it today because on today's video I was filming a tutorial for a Halloween look, and maybe if you are wondering why I have such a long wings, which I usually don't do, this is because of that video. I partially removed the Halloween makeup that I did, so I only left with the long black wing. But yeah, so that's the reason I'm not wearing this foundation today, but I'm wearing it quite often. I have it on the shade Sesame, and this foundation is coming with a squeezy tube. So if you are anywhere near to my skin tone, I'm usually NW20 on MAC, or on Makeup Forever I'm Y235. So if you are anywhere near to those shades, then you can find a good match for yourself on these Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Lightweight Protective Makeup. Such a long name for such a good product. So yeah. Also, one thing that I love is the fact that it's infused with SPF 50 and has anti-pollution ingredients. The second product that is my favorite for the month of October is a actual eyeshadow palette that I have it from almost 1 year, and this is the Too Faced Just Peach Matte eyeshadow palette. So first, I like the fact that it's really sleek, compact. I think this is metal, or if it's not a metallic case, it is a really good plastic, and you have here a secure closure, so there is no chance, no hazard that it will open if you are planning to travel. And then you have a beautiful range of neutral shades that are really good, highly pigmented, and they are the dream of every neutral lover. Besides, I'm able to do a full face of makeup using this eyeshadow palette. Another benefit of this palette is that you can do your full face of makeup. So I usually grab for the shade Peach Tea, which is this one, or for the shade Fresh Picked, which is this one from down, to do my bronzer or my contour. And for the blush I either use just Peachy or Peach Punch. So those two from the middle, this or this. Even peaches and creams the one from the corner. It's good if you want just to have a slight hint of the blush. So, love this palette. It's a staple in my collection. I remember that I bought it for a very good deal. I think I bought it with 40 or 50% off during last winter Sephora sales. The third favorite product for the month of October is it a lash curler. I will show you a bit. It looks like this. It's just your normal lash curler, and I bought mine from AliExpress. Actually, the reason that I bought this is the fact that I was searching for a partial lash curler because I have problem to curl the corner lashes, especially on my left eye. They are all the time pointing downward, and if I use a regular curler like it is this one, it's not doing the job. It's not able to curl them. So what I did, I ordered two partial, curlers, and actually this was supposed to be the size of this one. So I will show them how they look like. You see, this is almost half. And when I saw it, I said that this is not good, and probably I will contact the seller to return it back because I wanted just a half size of a curler, not a full size curler. It was also coming with a secure pin to hold it like this, but I lost it. I think I threw it out when I opened the packaging. Other than that, I really love this eyelash curler because since I discovered it, I'm not using either this one, which is the regular one that I got it in a beauty subscription, I think on Look Fantastic, or the Chibo heated lash curler, because both are a bit bigger. But what I've noticed, this is not so small comparing with the full size one that I have, but it's not that rounded. You see, this has a bit of a large curve, and this doesn't fit exactly properly my eye shape or the shape of my lashes, while this does, and it's able to curl all my lashes. And after I apply the mascara, I noticed that throughout the day the lashes from the left eye are not going downward, or maybe they will go by the end of the day. So I have quite long-lasting curl for several hours. So I bought it by mistake, or maybe I received it, because usually when you buy from AliExpress, sometimes you have the chance to receive other product, not the one that you have ordered. I don't think so that was the case. I think the picture from the website was not clear. Another favorite of mine, it is a lip liner. This lip liner, I have it in the shade Orion. I'm able to wear it during this time of year because it's more darker, it's toward brown. It's a shade that I'm not normally using it, but I really love the texture and the fact that it's really creamy and long lasting. And I was wearing it today with the look that I create for the Halloween makeup, so you will see it on action on that video that I will link it here up on the card. Okay, I have two lipsticks from Maybelline, and to be honest, I have rediscovered my Maybelline products when I was filming my full face of makeup using Maybelline products. They are from the collection Color Sensational Matte. One is in the shade 968 and is called Rich Ruby, and the other one it is 982 Peach Buff. This lipstick, it's pairing really nice with the Doucce Cosmetics lip liner that I just shown you, and the shade is really vampy. I even wear it yesterday, but I didn't have any other makeup on my face, just lipstick, and it's really beautiful on its own and is really appropriate for this time of year. So I'm even wearing this lipstick by itself, or if I want to tone it down, look already the peach buff, it's stained. I will tone it down with this peachy pink shade, and together they are creating a shade that is really flattering for my skin tone. Even though, as I said, and you probably know me, I'm not wearing very dark shades or too much red, but those two together I really love. And even this lipstick, it makes me to look a bit pale, but if I wear on the top a gloss to give it a bit more of a life, then I have no problem wearing it. So my last favorite product for the month of October, it is this La Vanilla Healthy Deodorant in the shade Vanilla Coconut. It has a slight scent of vanilla and coconut, of course. And I think I bought this product in the beginning of the summer. I wanted to have a natural deodorant because I don't like to put on myself type of deodorant that contains aluminium. I prefer to reapply several times a day a natural deodorant than to use a long wearing one. So I have tried this because I have seen one of the YouTubers that I was following at that time, Ali Ginny or so. She was raving about this one. It is really nice. It's a bit pricey. I bought mine from eBay because we don't have this brand here in Europe. I think in United States it's a bit more affordable. But I want to say that now for the month of October, this lasts me all day. I'm not the type of the person that really sweats. And for me, this is enough to protect me from morning to evening. During the summer, maybe I need to reapply it by the half of the day, but I want to say that I really love, and I love the scent and the fact that it protects me, and it's also natural, doesn't have nasty ingredients. So if you are looking for a natural deodorant which is doing what it claims to do, then I will recommend you to try the La Vanilla. I think they have more fragrances. However, only this one, I have found it on eBay, that was shipped to Czech Republic to a reasonable price too. Because usually I have seen some other, I think it is some other fragrance which is with lemon, and the price of the shipping, it was higher than the actual price of the product. I think this retails for 15-20 bucks on eBay, and I paid an additional 8-10 bucks for the shipping. And even I used a lot. As I shown you on the beginning, you see how much product I have still left. So I expect I will be using this product for at least several months from now on. So yeah, those are my favorite products, and now I want to show you which product has failed me for this month. If you remember, on my last cohorted beauty box that I got in September, we've been given this Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray, magically transform texture, amazing humidity proof powers, and you are supposed to use this product after you are washing and towel dry your hair. You are applying your this product for the whole length of your hair, and then you are using the blow dryer and a brush to dry your hair, because this is the way that it activates this product. So you need to heat up in order to activate. So you are supposed to do this every 3-4 washes, and I did so. I think I already did third or fourth time of this application, and I haven't seen any result. And also I have noticed that it doesn't helps to control the freeze. So I'm not mad that I tried, because I've got it on the actual subscription box, but if I were to pay the full price for it, I would recommend it, because I think it retails between 20 and 30 pounds or euros or bucks, something like this. I will put the actual retail price here on the screen. Okay guys, those are my favorite but also the failed product for the month of October. Please let me know in your comments down below if you have tried one or more of these products and what do you think about them, or if not, would you like to try some of them. Okay, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you like the content and you want to see more, I would like to invite you to do it so. And other than that, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I want to wish you to have a great week ahead, and I will see you again really soon.